Hello, fellow crafters. These baskets were a completely last minute idea for the 2025 holiday market, but they turned out so cute that I had to share them with you. I started with 6 little wicker baskets, 3 Santa pants themed, and 3 snowmen. They were after Christmas finds at Ollie's last year. The Santa baskets were already perfect for Christmas. The Santa baskets were named Santa's Baking Basket. I filled them with the new Pillsbury Elf on the Shelf Cocoa Sugar Cookie Mix, the white Grinch tea towel and matching pot holder, an elf legs ornament, and a metal cookie cutter. All the pieces worked together and it gave the whole basket a playful North Pole feel. The snowmen needed a little personality, so I painted those baskets bright green, added some fluffy green fur, and transformed them into what I called a Grinchy baking basket. I also used the tops of green stockings as the bottoms for the Grinch baskets. I added the new Pillsbury confetti sugar cookie mix along with the green Grinch tea towels and matching pot holders. I added an elf legs ornament here too, plus a mini whisk to complete the baking theme. To finish them off, I created a cute baking poem that added just the right touch. Customers love a rhyme. It makes the basket feel personal and gift ready. Even though they were last minute ideas, they ended up being some of the most eye catching items on the table. Stay tuned. I'll be rolling out 10 to 15 more of my best sellers.